I've been disciplined as well, going to the gym. I go to the gym 4 times a week. Um, like I said, I do progressive overload, time under tension, um, make sure I have proper form. But it keeps me motivated and it keeps me disciplined. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Hiring Talks. We talk about life, mental health, and culture. I just left the gym, so I felt inspired to make a video on why you should attempt to get jacked. You should at least attempt to get jacked for many, many reasons. I'm on my second workout journey, so I'm about 6 months in now. I've been pretty athletic my whole life, like playing basketball. I was in the army for like 6 years. I've always been active, but I never really attempted to get big or attempted to get jacked or lean or whatever the case may be. So I had a workout journey like 3 years ago for like 6 months. And I stopped working out as consistently. I would be on and off after that. And that's because of my goals. So what I realize now, why you should attempt to get jacked is because for me personally, you will attempt to have a long-term health goal. So for my first workout journey, I would like I was like trying to just look a certain way. And I was on mass gainers and stuff like that. And I got a pretty decent physique and a lean physique. But I fell off because my reasons weren't sustainable for me personally. So for me now, my long-term goal is to be a fit old man, God willing, a fit old guy. I want to be an old man that's in shape. Um, I like the personal challenge of working out. I do progressive overload. So basically, it's kind of like what it sounds like for y'all who know and y'all who don't know. But basically, I progressively overload my muscles. So let's say I was curling a 10-pound dumbbell week one, and I did 4 sets of 12. Once I can do 4 sets of 12 with proper form, I'll either go up to 15 pounds or 20 pounds, usually 15, depending on how the weight is measured out or whatever. Because, curl bars only go up 10 pounds, at least where I'm at. So, yeah. So, you should attempt to get jacked because not only will you have long-term goals, health goals for yourself, you also have a personal challenge for yourself. I've been disciplined as well, going to the gym. I go to the gym 4 times a week. Um, like I said, I do progressive overload, time under tension, um, make sure I have proper form. But it keeps me motivated and it keeps me disciplined. That's another thing too. It keeps me motivated and it keeps me disciplined. Like, it feels good to like stick with something for the long term. Now, as far as like how my body looks and all that good stuff, I have more of an ectomorph frame, so I'm aiming for that lean look. I'm gonna show my first year results in like 6 more months. I'll probably throw in a few clips of me working out or something. Maybe if I can find some on my phone, I'll probably edit that in. But yeah, I'm just trying to stay patient, y'all. Like, I know gaining muscle. I know a lot of people on gear and all types of stuff, and that's what, if you do that, that's cool. Do you, whatever. I'm not gonna do that. I'm staying natural, but I know it takes time, and that's the thing. Like, building a physique really does take time. Building a real good physique. So you should attempt to get jacked for those reasons for sure. Discipline, health benefits, long-term goals, stress reliever. It's definitely a stress reliever. I leave the gym feeling real good. Great for my mental health. If I have something on my mind or whatever the case may be, or just stress, like I said, maybe a little anxious, whatever. We all human. Going to the gym help relieves that. Now, of course, I'm not just codependent on the gym. You have to have other resources if necessary, whatever the case may be. But the gym is not gonna hurt. It's not gonna hurt. Yeah. So those are the few reasons off the top of my head. There's other reasons too. I'm probably gonna make a few videos of this, but there's other reasons too. I'm probably gonna do some more research on the benefits of working out, getting jacked, lifting weights. Yeah. But yeah, man, I think every person should try to get in shape, and especially for men, you should attempt to like get jacked. It's a challenge for me. Um, I'm gonna try my best. No, I'm not gonna try my best. I'm going to do my best to make this a long-term habit, a long-term goal. Like I said, I've been athletic my whole life, but I don't see myself stopping. It's just too beneficial. Like, it's just too it just benefits my life too much, y'all. I don't see myself really ever stopping working out. If I get to a certain weight, for example, if whatever weight I get to, if that's all I can lift, I'm just gonna maintain. You know what I'm saying? Or I'm gonna switch up the workout. I keep a log of my workouts. I switch up my workouts every 8 weeks. I just did a 24-week cycle, so I'm back on my first workout. I might add a fourth one at the end of these next 24 weeks. So I do 3 workouts, 8 weeks at a time. I have it written down in my notes. I keep a log of the weights that I lift, my my progress and things of that sort. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, yeah, that's all I got right now. I'm literally just leaving the gym, so I'm just really winging this. But yeah, man, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. This is Hiring Talks. We talk about life, mental health, and culture. I got more videos on the way. Peace.